This is Playa de San Juan, just a short drive from other popular destinations in Tenerife. And besides these pebbles, you get that black volcanic ash sand that Tenerife is famous for. Big panoramic, it is stunning. Good morning. Another beautiful day here in Tenerife. And today we're going to Playa San Juan, just about 20 minutes drive from here in Playa Las Américas. And another coffee before leaving town. I know Metropolis is not my favorite. I said it before in other videos, but hey, you get the ocean view right in front of you. And we're leaving this view for another one. Now let's get going. Now, Playa San Juan is just up near Playa Abama Beach. We're gonna get up there and we're gonna explore that area, the little fishing village, the little beach, and have some lunch. And stick around because at the end of this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about getting from Playa Las Américas or Los Cristianos and up to Playa San Juan. Right away, what I noticed, it's a little proper village, San Juan, and the playa, the beach, well, it has easy parking. It's a short drive from other popular destinations in Tenerife, like Las Américas, Los Cristianos. It's a quaint little fishing village with its harbor out that way. The beach is frequented by locals, and besides these pebbles, you get that black volcanic ash sand that Tenerife is famous for. I just met Jessica from Germany. She's promised to like and subscribe, right, Jessica? The beach itself here is 350 meters long. Now this sand, it was brought in 2009. They did a lot of renovations and it looks beautiful. The thing that strikes me is, yeah, it's a Monday, but this place is super quiet. It's midday right now, and you could tell there are mostly locals here speaking Spanish on the beach. I see a few tourists, and then you have people like Jessica who's here working and stays for a couple months at a time and lives in Playa de San Juan. It has pretty cool yacht school out there, also scuba diving lessons, which by the way, I am a licensed scuba diver. I learned how to do that when I was in the Philippines around 3 years ago. And if you out there are scuba divers, drop some comments down below. Let me know where you learned and your experiences. Check this out. If you get bored down at the beach, you can hike up here, burn off some of those cervezas. Look at this view up here, a big panoramic, all of Playa de San Juan and the whole Costa Deja, the west side of Tenerife. It is stunning. Now, some of you may prefer all sand, soft beach, and I don't blame you. Those are nice, but that sand, it gets everywhere. It goes into your electronics when you're out there trying to take photos on the beach and everything else. This pebble beach, it's like Nice, France, if you've been there before. It's not too bad. You go out there with your flip-flops on, you find a spot to lay down your towel, and you're there and you relax on the beach, and if you hear it, you get those pebbles rolling in with the sounds of the waves coming to shore. It is therapeutic. There's gotta be a better way to get up from the beach than this. Woo, this gets me up. Gets a good vantage point, and look over that way. This is another completely different beach that's further south from the main beach at Playa de San Juan. It's all pebbles down there, and even more relaxing and even calmer. And my new friend Jessica, she said if you follow this beach up the path to the house you see off in the distance, there's a great restaurant there. But I have other plans. I'm gonna go eat in the fishing village. And the good thing is that there are many different restaurants here to choose from along the promenade in Playa de San Juan, and I think I found the place. Here at Mare Sala, and the good thing is that unlike Las Américas or Los Cristianos, it's not pretentious, it's easygoing. And look, they already brought me out a gazpacho starter. And look at this, the first plate arrived. Normally I try to avoid fried foods, but seaside fried calamari. This is good. And it continues. Are you ready for this? Scallops in saffron sauce. I love the presentation here. This looks beautiful. It looks like a flying saucer. You know, the thing about this place is so low key. If I was in Los Cristianos right now, it'd be packed with people going back and forth, a lot more commercialized. This is a small fishing village. It's super quiet and enjoyable. I'm really gonna need to ride my bike when I get back to Florence. But I have another trip planned right away. I'm going to Saudi Arabia. Have you ever been there? It's my first time. Oh, that was a great lunch. A good place to stop there. $6.50 for that calamari and €26 for the scallops. Overall, 35 euro. Now I'm gonna get back to Las Américas, and then I'm gonna go over my final thoughts and all the details you need to know if you plan on coming here. I wasn't gonna film a video in here, but I met Paula, and she is the current AeroPress champion of Spain. Brava, brava.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
There we go. I now have Francesco as a new subscriber as well. These guys, so nice, so nice. Aww.
Like and subscribe.
Flat white with Ethiopian beans. This is just what I needed. And we're back from where we began in Playa de Las Américas. Look at those waves out there. Those surfers are having a good time. There's some big waves out there today. But let's talk about Playa de San Juan. To get there is simple. It's simple. All you need to do is follow the TF1 north out of Las Américas or Los Cristianos and get off at the TF46. Follow signs for San Juan. Now, don't go there if you want a soft, sandy beach. If that's what you're looking for, go to Playa Abama or go to some of those other beaches I've mentioned before, Playa Arena. But do go there if you want a tranquilo day, a day that's filled with locals who are at the beach, not all the fuss. And there are some great restaurants to explore. They're in a whole different low-key local atmosphere in San Juan.